Hey friends, welcome to Stocks and Crypto Plays. I have a new stock that you can short on Monday. Do your own research. None of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything's risky. You buy this short put, you could lose all your money that you put down on it. Or you can make about $5,000 at the most. Or you can make 100 or 200 or 300. Who knows? Okay, here's the reason why. I've been doing my research on stocks and crypto for you. Abercrombie and Fitch is the play, okay? Do your own research, but I think this is going to go down. It already started going down just a little bit. Like, if you look at this chart right here, you're like, whoa, that thing crashed. Well, it was only down 2.7%. And the stock has been trending up very strongly lately. But it's in the retail sector. It's Abercrombie and Fitch. And I think it's going down now. It's pumped so strongly. It's up like 150% over the last, I think it's like over the last year. It's up so much. And now it's time for it to crash. If you take a look at the analytics, almost everybody, not almost everybody, but the vast majority of smart money is on puts. There's about twice as many puts right now on Abercrombie than there is calls, okay? And the reason being is they're being sued. That's what got my attention to consider buying a short put. And I just found out myself. Wall Street found out before me, as usual. But you notice on this photo here, you take a look and you can see, what is it? You can see the volume is absolutely spiked. See that green line in the bottom there? Absolutely spiked. And you see the price absolutely tanked compared to the volume, minus 2.7%. And you see how it went down, right? And it went down based on the news of the lawsuit. So what is the lawsuit? Basically, some of the male models are claiming that they were assaulted in a certain type of way. I don't know if I could use that word here on YouTube. Starts with an S, ends with an X, and then you could add an LY on there. I don't want to confuse anyone. If you just want the three-letter word, starts with an S, ends with an X. They were assaulted in that kind of way, the male models claim, by the Abercrombie and Fitch power players, by the leadership, and they've opened a lawsuit, a major lawsuit. This is bad press for the company. It could create boycotts. It could create a lot of negative press and a lot of negative energy. It could cause people to panic, sell the stock. And you see it's just starting to go down now. And that's when you want to buy the put, when it's just starting to go down. Not like it's been going down for a long, long time. It's just starting to go down now. So Monday, I think the stock market is going to crash on Monday, Tuesday. That's my opinion, okay? It's been kind of like showing signs of failing. And I think Monday we're going to see a big crash on the stock market. What do you guys think? Comment below. Black Monday. Is it going to be a Black Monday or is it going to be a Black Tuesday? That's what they call it when the stock market crashes. And it's about time for the stock market to crash. It's about that time. And right around Halloween time, it might be interesting that they crash it right around that time. But we'll see. Who knows? But this is a good play. So Abercrombie and Fitch. What do we got here? What do we got? So I'm recommending you do a short put. Okay? This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But let's say, for example, what I feel comfortable with is $58, let's see, what I got here on my notes. $58 strike price do I have on that? I go, let's go like a $60 strike price. Okay, break even at 54. Max loss $570, max profit $5,430. The bid, you can bid like a little less. You could bid like, let's say if you were to bid like $5.50, it'll cost you $550 premium, okay? So basically you're wondering, well, how do I do it? You go into trade, then you go trade options, then you go buy a long put. Buy a long put. That means you're shorting the stock. That means if the stock goes down, you make money, okay? And then you want to look at it at the strike prices and the dates. I recommend November 24th. Why? Because they're going to be reporting earnings right around there a couple days before. November 24th, okay? And I think the earnings are going to be down. I don't think the economy's strong. I don't think people are spending money lately. We'll see. But I think this lawsuit's going to hurt them. And even if the earnings are good, the stock can still tank, okay? Even if the earnings are good. General Electric recently reported very strong Q3 earnings and the stock went down. AMC does that all the time too, right? So regardless of the earnings, I think it's heading down. And if they have bad earnings, it's definitely heading down. And I think they're going to have earnings that don't meet expectations, okay? And I think it's going to hurt the stock. And I think this lawsuit's really going to hurt the stock as well. And it's overinflated. The price of the stock's way overinflated. It has support all the way down at, what is it, like $50? If I got it in my notes. Yeah, Abercrombie and Fitch. It's at 58.70 right now as of today, Sunday. And it has support all the way down at $50. Let's see. Yep. Support at $50, resistance at 61.20. So we got plenty of room to make money. I mean, what if it goes to $51? We're gonna make so much fat cash, $52, and we don't even hit a support. We don't even hit the support price of $50, and we can go all the way down to $51 and make fat cash, and they don't even hit the support line. Okay. As far as inputs, outputs, they are kind of some months up, some months are down. Like, you know, if we were to take a look real quick here, for October, they're down $30 million in net inputs, outputs on Moomoo, for example. They're down $30 million on the net inflow, outflow for October. September, down 7.69 million. And they were up actually in August, 6.87 million. Okay. So, but right now they're down $30 million and they're up 4% on the month. How are you up 4% on the month when you're down 30 million on net inflow, net outflow? All right. We're going to be heading down, all right? Comment below, what do you think? Are you going to buy a short put? I'm only going to buy one contract, which represents 100 calls because, you know, I'm not super confident in it, but I am confident enough to put $500 down and say, yeah, we're going to make money on this short put, okay? I just want the one contract for 100 shares. All right, guys? Hit like, subscribe, add notifications, share the video with a friend, comment below, what do you think about Abercrombie and Fitch? Talk to you soon. Have a great day.